Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have x squared minus x cubed equals to 36, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we focus in the right hand side and we just break the right hand side in this way and we write it as 27 plus 9. Okay, we know that 27 plus 9 becomes here 36, and after that we make the numbers 27 and 9 in exponential form, and we write it as x squared minus x cubed equals to, here we write this 27 as 3 cubed and we write this 9 as 3 square. And after that we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it is written as in this form: x square minus x cubed, and here we have this is plus 3 cubed and we write it as minus 3 cubed. This is plus 3 square. Okay, so when we move this one in the left hand side, it will becomes minus 3 square equals to 0. And now next further we make the pairs of cubic terms as well as the square term, and we have x square minus 3 square, and we take common minus sign from these two terms, and it is written as minus times of x cubed plus 3 cubed, and this is equals to 0. And after that here we need two nice formulas, in which the one is square and the other is cubic formula. So you very well know about this formula. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. And after that we need here the cubic formula, and you again know about the cubic formula. It is written as a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So here we need these two formulas to solve the above equation, so that now we write our above equation as in this form. So here we use this formula, we write it as x minus 3 times of x plus 3, and minus we write we apply the cubic formula on this term, and it is written as x plus 3 times of x square minus ab. So our a is x and b is 3 and plus b square, so b is 3 square. And after that here you just focus on these two terms, and you see that we have x plus 3 be the common term, so that here we take common x plus 3, and here you take common x plus 3, and the remaining term are x minus 3 minus, here we take common x plus 3, and its remaining terms are x square minus 3x plus 9, and this whole equals to 0. And now here we need more simplification, and we write it as x plus 3 times of this is x minus 3, and we multiply this minus sign on each term, and it is written as minus x square plus 3x minus 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we write this expression as x plus 3 times of x minus this is, here you have x plus 3x, it will becomes here 4x, and this is a minus x square, and minus 3 minus 9 equals to minus 12, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we divide this equation into the two cases. So our first case is we write x plus 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we write 4x minus x square minus 12 equals to 0. So in this case we easily get the value of x equals to minus 3. So this is the first real root of the given equation, and now in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So here first we write this quadratic equation into the standard form, so that we multiply both of the sides by -1. So when we multiply both of the sides by -1, this equation is written as in this form: x squared minus 4x plus 12 equals to 0. So in order to make the factors of this equation, here we need the quadratic formula. So that first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to -4, and c equals to 12. So this is the coefficients of this equation, and we stated as the quadratic formula in this form: minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now we substitute the above values of a, b, c in this formula, and it is written as minus times of b, and the value of b is -4 plus minus square root of b square. So b is -4 square, -4 times of a is 1, and c is 12, and this is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is equals to 1. So this implies that we have our x equals to, this is minus times of minus becomes +4, and plus minus square root of -4 square is 16, and 4 times of 12 becomes here 48, and this is divided by 2. So that here we subtract 16 minus 48, and we get x equals to 4 plus minus square root of here 16 minus 48 equals to -32, and this is divided by 2. And now in the next step here we focus on this radical term. So we break this -32 as in this form: 4 plus minus square root of -32, and we write this 32 as 8 times of 4, and we separate the square root of -1, and this whole divided by 2. So further we have 4 plus minus, here we know that the square root of 4 is 2 into square root of 8, and this is square root of -1 becomes iota, and here we break this fraction and we write it as 4 over 2, and this term over 2. So here we have this is 2 times of 2 becomes 4, and this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and finally we get our x equals to 2 plus minus this is 2 times of square root of 8 into iota. So here we again break this 8 in this form. We write this 8 as 4 times of 2 square root into iota. So here we see that the square root of 4 becomes 2, or this 2 is multiplied by here this 2, and we get here 4 times of square root of 2 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and our one root is the real root, and it is x equals to -3. So these are the three solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.